What if I told you the next wave of millionaires won't build factories, launch apps, or even have employees? They'll build systems that work while they sleep. Every few years, there's a gold rush. Crypto, NFTs, dropshipping. But this time, the rush doesn't look like a trend, it looks like silence. People sitting in their bedrooms, laptop open, while AI quietly earns for them. No hype, no 18-hour workdays, just leverage. The kind that doesn't care if you're broke, busy, or brand new. By the end of this video, you'll understand the invisible economy AI is creating and how to claim your piece of it, starting from zero. The shift. Everyone thinks you have to invent something to make money with AI. Build a chatbot, create a new model, raise millions. But that's not where the wealth is being made. The real money is in adapting AI, using it to multiply your time, automate the boring stuff, and deliver value faster than anyone else. A college dropout in Bali can now compete with agencies in New York. A single freelancer can manage what used to take a whole marketing team. AI didn't make the world fair, it made it flatter. The people who win are the ones who learn how to ride that flattening wave before it crushes everyone else. So instead of chasing trends, let's study the system, because the laziest way to make money with AI is to let it do the work you already hate. Framework: leverage, not labor. For decades, wealth was built on effort. The harder you worked, the more you earned. But AI flips that. Effort is no longer the measure, leverage is. Leverage is what happens when your output grows faster than your input. It's when you set up a system once and it pays you 100 times. And in 2025, 5 AI-powered systems are quietly doing exactly that. AI thumbnail design, AI blog and content repurposing, faceless YouTube channels, AI website creation, automation as a service. Each of these can be started from zero, no coding, no audience, no startup capital, just curiosity, a laptop, and the ability to learn what others ignore. AI thumbnail design. Every viral video has one silent salesman, the thumbnail. It's the difference between 1,000 views and 1,000,000. And here's the thing, creators will pay big money for that one image that makes people click. Not because it's pretty, but because it converts attention into revenue. Most beginners think it's about being artistic. It's not. It's about psychology. Color contrast, eye direction, emotion, framing. AI tools like Midjourney, Canva, and Photoshop AI now let you create thumbnails that look like they came from $1,000,000 studio without actually being a designer. If you study viral thumbnails, recreate them with AI, and show proof of results, you can start charging clients within days. The entry cost? Almost zero. The demand? Massive. And the secret? Understanding what makes humans click before the algorithm does. Blog-to-cash systems. The second opportunity lives in words. AI-powered blogs. Businesses need content to rank, to sell, and to stay visible. But most of them can't afford writers or agencies. That's where you step in. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Rank AI now let you turn one podcast, one YouTube video, or even a 10-minute interview into 10 SEO-optimized blog posts. Imagine charging $50 per post, writing 5 a day, and automating 70% of it with AI. That's not a side hustle. That's an income system. And the beauty of it? You don't just write for Google anymore. You're writing for AI search, ChatGPT, Perplexity, and every tool that recommends products and businesses in natural conversation. One of my favorite examples is a creator who takes podcast transcripts, summarizes them with GPT, adds affiliate links, and earns commissions every time someone buys. He's not selling time, he's selling presence. And AI gives him infinite scale. If you're enjoying this breakdown and want more deep dives into real AI opportunities, not hype, take a second to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. It really helps this channel grow, and it tells me you want more practical AI content that actually works. Faceless YouTube channels. Now imagine building a YouTube empire without ever showing your face. You've seen them. Channels that narrate stories, explain concepts, or compile insights with cinematic B-roll. No personalities, no filming setups, just voice, visuals, and storytelling. That's faceless content, and it's one of the most profitable uses of AI right now. Tools like 11 Labs, Pictory, Runway, and ChatGPT make it possible to create full-length videos from scripts, automatically add voiceovers, and even generate realistic avatars. These channels earn thousands monthly from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. But what makes them powerful isn't just automation, it's storytelling. Because storytelling keeps people watching. And in YouTube's world, retention is currency. We've talked about how AI can design, write, and even speak for you. But what if it could also build entire businesses, ones that run while you're out living your life? Because the truth is, AI doesn't just create content anymore, it builds infrastructure. And that brings us to the next stage of the invisible economy, AI website creation, building digital real estate. In the old world, creating a website was like building a house from scratch. You needed a designer, a developer, a copywriter, and a few $1,000s just to get started. Today, AI can do it all before lunch. Platforms like Framer AI, Reloom, or Bolt can generate entire sites, visuals, layout, brand palette, and copy with a single prompt. You describe your business, and in seconds it gives you a polished, professional website that would have taken weeks a few years ago. And here's where the opportunity lies. Every day, new businesses are born that need websites. Restaurants, coaches, consultants, local boutiques, millions of them. Most don't know these tools exist, and that's your edge. You're not selling websites, you're selling presence. You're helping small business owners step into the modern world without the heavy price tag. Imagine charging $300 for a website that takes you 3 hours to build. Now imagine doing 5 of those in a week. Add upsells, hosting, SEO integration, AI chatbots, and suddenly what looks like side hustle money becomes a scalable income engine. Because in 2025, the most valuable property isn't physical, it's digital real estate. The domain you buy today, the website you automate tomorrow, the content you publish next week, that's your land on the internet. The automation agency, turning complexity into cash. Now, this last one isn't about design or writing. It's about systems thinking, connecting all the dots so businesses run smoother, faster, and cheaper. This is the backbone of the invisible economy, the AI automation agency. Most companies are drowning in repetitive tasks, manual reporting, lead management, scheduling, customer follow-ups. Step in, use tools like Zapier, Make, or OpenAI APIs, and connect everything together so that work flows automatically. You're not building robots, you're building relief. A small e-commerce brand might pay $500 to automate its order tracking. A real estate firm might pay $2,000 to connect leads, emails, and CRMs. Even a gym owner could pay you to automate signups and reminder messages. Here's the truth. You don't need to be a coder. You just need to be curious enough to learn how systems talk to each other. You're solving headaches people didn't even know they could eliminate. And the beauty of it, once you set it up, it runs by itself. That's passive leverage, your time multiplied by automation. Now, imagine building 10 of those systems. That's not just income, that's ownership of time. The psychology of the new economy. Let's pause for a moment, because the real revolution here isn't technological, it's psychological. For decades, we were taught that money equals effort, but AI breaks that link. It doesn't reward exhaustion, it rewards execution. The people thriving in this new world aren't the smartest. They're the ones who start before they feel ready. They experiment. They fail forward. They learn how to talk to machines as collaborators, not competitors. AI isn't the monster coming for your job. It's the mirror reflecting what you can do better, faster, and at scale. And those who understand this, those who build systems around it, will quietly become the architects of a new kind of wealth. Take Maya, a single mom in her 30s. She learned AI automations on YouTube, started by helping a bakery automate online orders. Within 3 months, she had 5 clients, local stores, salons, and a gym. Today, she makes $4,000 a month, all while working less than 20 hours a week. Or Jordan, a college student who used ChatGPT to write scripts for Faceless YouTube channels. He reinvested his first $200 profit into better tools. Now he runs 3 channels, pulling consistent ad revenue without showing his face once. These stories aren't rare. They're just underreported, because most people are still waiting for permission, while others are already building quietly. What this all means: the invisible economy isn't built on hype, it's built on curiosity. The willingness to explore tools, learn their patterns, and connect them in ways others overlook. AI doesn't reward people who work hard, it rewards people who work smart and adapt fast. So maybe the question isn't, can I make money with AI? It's, what can I build today that my future self will thank me for? You don't need millions of followers. You don't need coding skills. You just need to start with what you already know and let AI multiply it. Because the truth is, this isn't the end of human creativity. It's the expansion of it. A new kind of collaboration between human intuition and machine intelligence, and in that partnership lies the future of work, wealth, and freedom. AI isn't replacing people, it's replacing friction, and the ones who learn how to move with it, not against it, will redefine what freedom looks like. So if you want more deep dives like this, stories that mix AI, entrepreneurship, and the psychology of wealth, make sure to subscribe. Because the next video, I'll show you how people are building entire automated businesses, from client onboarding to fulfillment, without writing a single line of code. Remember, the future doesn't belong to those who watch it happen. It belongs to those who quietly build it, one prompt at a time.